I love this toy storage organizer that I bought for my kids off of Amazon. It really has been the perfect item to keep all my kids' toys visible and accessible to them. It has held up great. My kids love to take the bins out to play with their toys. They love to sit in the bins or even wear the bins as hats. I also appreciate that it mounts to the wall, so it gives you that peace of mind. You don't have to worry about it tipping over, which is great. This item comes in different sizes and colors, so I definitely recommend checking this company out through Amazon. I did link them in my bio.
Parents, if you get sick of picking up toys day after day, you need this bin I found on Amazon. You store all the toys in it, and then when it's time to play, just dump them out onto the built-in mat. The mat is also detachable. Kids can then play directly on it, or it just keeps all the toys in one place. Once finished, simply roll the toys up in the mat, stuff it in the bin, and top it with a lid. Try it in your home and follow along for more.
If you are in need of bath toy organization, this one is for you. We love this hanging bath toy organizer and scoop. It suctions right to your wall, and it's made of mesh, so the water drips right out.
Got these hampers that I'm actually going to use as storage containers in my daughter's playroom. I think these are so cute. They have a lid, so everything will stay contained. And then they even have a plastic liner since they are hampers, and so I feel like they'll hold up a little bit better because they have that support inside.
Meet my newest obsession for my toddler's toy rotation. This is the Montessori Play Shelf by Lovevery. It's a 2-in-1 storage shelf that makes toy rotation and storage simple. The back of the shelf opens up to a deep storage compartment to store out-of-rotation toys and comes with 2 bins to keep smaller objects like puzzle pieces and blocks. The shelf also comes with 2 wooden trays to display on the front of the shelf for toys that are in rotation. This shelf makes it easy to display a handful of toys at a time and helps keep your child's room clutter-free for a more intentional play space. Make sure you head over to lovevery.com and check it out.
This toy pickup vacuum is perfect for picking up Legos and other small toys around the house. All of the toys are safely collected in the bin. The large wheels make it easy to maneuver so you don't miss any. Pet hair, dust, and debris is actually separated into this filter, so the toys stay clean for easy storage. My Lego storage trick is once the sets are built, just put them on an oil pan and hide them under the bed.